All right, guys, something different today. We got a 2001 Peter. I'm just kidding. Something different. Sorry if you guys only want to watch me for truck videos, but I decided to make a video of this as well. I didn't get this for YouTube. I got this because this has been a dream car of mine. For some people might say that's a ugly car, old car. But for me, it's not a big dream, but it's one of those things where I wanted for a long time and I finally got. So what we got here is a 2001 BMW M5. I forget what this color is called. It's like inferior blue or something blue. I know it's like a cool word and then blue. This is considered like one of the more of the rarest colors. Because you always see black ones, you always see silver ones, you always see gray ones, but these are more rare. It's a 2001. Why I got it is because it's got lower miles. Usually with these kind of miles, this kind of year, you'll see like 160, 170,000 miles, but this one has, I think battery's completely dead. Gotta get a new one. It's 105,000 miles. For me, for this kind of year, that's very low. It's considered very low. Interior is very clean, other than some, I don't know if that's dog hair or whatever. Seats are in good condition. This top that's velvet. The roof, the door panels are in good condition. Overall, I mean, it's got some small dents here and there, but that's easy fix. Paintless dent removal. Okay. It's gonna be perfect for my kid. Yeah, overall, I mean, the back seat is good condition. Sure, yeah, like I said, I mean, I didn't get this for like YouTube videos or whatever. I decided to document this. Why not? A little extra content. Yeah, got the trunk space, so I didn't see the bumper at all in the pictures, but bumper's here. So I mean, the small miscellaneous stuff, very useful. Like these moldings are probably, a few bucks a piece. This molding I'll probably replace. It's got fog lights, got the fog light bezels. This is what I really like right there. I don't think it has aftermarket intakes, but need a new fog light right there. That one cracked, and it's got some sort of a carbon fiber lip. I don't think I'm too big of a fan of that. So we'll see what I do there. But yeah, what the damage is, it's not much. Not much, to be honest. What we see here is you'll see the radiator support. See how it's a little tweaked this way? So this is this panel right here. This panel, I haven't figured out where it goes. I believe it's all one unit with this. So you unbolt this, then this whole thing comes off. Nice thing about this stuff is the hood, it's all interchangeable off of 528, like a 528, 530. Because if you go into like a junkyard, say M5, they're gonna want to charge you, a lot. If you say a 528, it's obviously they won't charge as much as they would for an M5. So I already pretty much I know where I can get a hood. I just need a bumper. Probably gonna need one headlight. I haven't taken this one off, but we'll see what kind of condition it comes off in. Then I'll probably need this whole support. Then I don't know. Yeah, this fan's probably not gonna be good. Not a big deal. Then it had coolant in there, but we'll make sure that it holds. And then condenser. We'll see. And so radiator support is pretty much the furthest that we'll need to go. Like I said, not a big deal. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted how this stuff goes. Just needs a little love. Planning to buff it up a little bit, polish it, make it look nice. This is one of those things that I'm gonna keep for a little bit. I wanted a car where I can, I can easily put my kid and wife in and take him where I need to go, because I don't want to be selfish and get a coupe and then have my wife and kid be a little crammed up. Gotta think like a family man now. But yeah, shoot, there you have it, M5. And the funny thing about these cars is, the more time goes on, it's not like these things don't lose value. They pretty much hold their value, and some would even say that, you know, the value even rises on these cars. So we'll see what happens, but definitely I got a deal where it's a good deal, to put it that way. And yeah, we'll see what comes out of this thing. But guess I have to deal with what we got for now. I did get it apart. I got the radiators off, I got the fan off, I got the support off. Pretty much damaged as I expected. I just got to get a radiator. It's broke off like a small piece, enough to leak. Got to get this little blade right here, the clutch fan blade. Then I got to get the front fan. No frame damage, thankfully. So just radiator support. The only thing I'll have to do is I want to see if I can try to fix this little corner on the fender. I did give it a wash. I'll try to do some cinematic, show you guys. But man, the color is just amazing. When it's washed, it's crazy. It's just something else. Like, I can't relate it into words. And just the engine bay, when it's cleaned up, it's like it's a different car. But yeah, I'm really happy with what I got. Now I just gotta go on a parts hunt and hopefully find all the parts real fast, because I am really excited to get this thing on the road. I do want, I already got the shifter up. I want to get a short shifter because I don't like long gears. I'll probably order something online. I do want to throw on probably a different diffuser right here. Probably do something black with some little fins maybe. Let me know what you guys think about that. But yeah, I mean, shoot, I got it cleaned up. It looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like it or not, and then if you guys want to take a guess at a price that I got these things for. Like I said, the value on these things just keeps going up, not going down. So if you guys want to take a guess in the comments below, and guess we'll be seeing more updates on this thing as we go. All right, guys, thanks for watching.